Good day, everyone. My name is Jibrin Ojiman Shemtia from the Department of Industrial Chemistry, Federal University, Lokoja, Kogi State. Me and my fellow classmates would like to enlighten us more about industrial chemistry, things to know about industrial chemistry and things to avoid before choosing industrial chemistry as a course to study. Please subscribe, like, and follow. Industrial chemistry, as we will say, is a branch of chemistry dealing with the development and production of chemicals and other related products on a large scale for industries like manufacturing industry, pharmaceutical industry. Industrial chemistry is a bridge between lab discoveries and real-world applications. It's about scaling up chemical processes to produce chemicals like acid, base, or solvents, and also materials like acid, bases, and solvents, pharmaceuticals like medicine and vaccine.
Industrial chemistry is like a big factory version of a chemistry lab, where raw materials are transformed into useful products. It's all about applying chemical principles to design, develop, and optimize processes that produce chemicals, materials, and energy. From producing life-saving medicines to creating sustainable materials, industrial chemistry is the backbone of many industries.
Industrial chemistry impacts various sectors, such as healthcare, produces medicines, vaccines, and medical devices. Energy refines petroleum, develop biofuels and energy storage solutions. Agriculture creates fertilizers, pesticide and crop protection products. Manufacturing develop materials like plastic, textiles and construction materials. Industrial chemistry also improves quality of life with products like clean water treatment, food preservatives and cosmetics.
Some keys industrial chemistry processes include 1. Cracking. What is cracking? Cracking can be defined as the breaking down of large molecules into smaller ones. 2. Polymerization. Polymerization is creating polymers like plastic. 3. Oxidation. Oxidation is adding oxygen to transform raw materials. 4. Hydrogenation. Hydrogenation is adding hydrogen for processes like fuel production. 5. Fermentation. Fermentation is using microbes to produce chemicals like ethanol or antibiotics. 6. Distillation. This is the separating of mixtures on boiling points. 7. Electrolysis. Electrolysis is using electricity to drive chemical reaction like metal extraction. 8. Catalyst. Catalyst is something that speeds up the reaction without being used up. Examples include 1. Haber process, which is the ammonia production. 2. Contact process, which is the sulfuric acid production. 3. Solvate process, which is the sodium carbonate production.
Various raw material industrial chemistry uses. Number 1, we have petroleum. Petroleum for fuels and plastic. And then we have minerals for metals and ceramics. We have biomass for biofuels and biochemicals. We have water for processes and reaction. We have oils for metals like copper, iron, and aluminium. We have salt and brine for chlorine and sodium hydroxide.
However, the benefit of industrial chemistry comes with significant responsibilities. Improper handling of industrial processes can lead to environmental pollution, health hazard, and even depletion of natural resources, which makes it essential for chemical industries to adopt safety measures, efficient waste management system, and environmentally friendly technologies.
Industrial activities can cause environmental problems if not properly managed. we have air pollution, emission like SO2, sulfur oxide, NOx, nitrogen oxide, VOSCE, polluting organic compound, contributes acid rain and smoke. We have number 2, we have water pollution, chemical discharge from aquatic life. Number 3, we have waste management. Hazardous waste disposal is critical.
Industrial chemistry offers various kinds of jobs in Nigeria, including senior lecturer in industrial chemistry, chemical engineer, lab analyst, quality control analyst, production manager, laboratory chemist, system house supervisor, production development officer, petroleum chemist, pharmaceutical chemist.
Industrial chemistry play a vital role in modern society. While it supports development and improve living standards, it must be practiced responsibly to protect human health and the environment. These features of industrial chemistry lies in sustainable and environmentally friendly process.
Sodium carbonate, that is washing soda, is used in glass making, soap production, and water treatment. Raw material that's made of this sodium carbonate are sodium chloride, that is brine, aluminium, and limestone. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 and is produced the Soviet process 1. Salt NaCl, limestone, Cap3, and aluminium NH3 are used. 2. Producing sodium carbonate are used in glass making, literature, and papers.
Safety in industrial chemistry. Safety in industrial chemistry is critical to prevent accidents, protect workers, and minimize environmental impact. Here are some key points. Hazard identification. Identify potential hazards such as toxic chemical, high temperature, and pressure. Personal protective equipment (PPE). Wear appropriate PPE like gloves, goggles, and respirator. Training. Provide regular training procedure. We have process control, safety control like emergency shutdown and alarm.